What's going on, everybody? It is Monday and it is time for another episode of Conquer Your Kitchen. I'm your man Tony, and I am here to show you today how to make General Tso chicken. General Tso chicken. You've heard of it or you've seen it. It's really similar to orange chicken with a few ingredients not in there because that would be orange chicken. But this is General Tso chicken. It's really sweet and tart and a little spicy when I make it. If you don't want the spice, don't make it spicy, but it's really, really good stuff. So we're going to jump down into the ingredients and we're going to go right into this General Tso chicken. Okay, so we're going to start here. And here in this bowl, I just have some flour, some cornstarch, and a little bit of salt. I have an egg, some honey, oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, some water, sesame seeds, some chili garlic sauce, because like I said, I like it spicy, some white pepper, just some garlic and ginger that we'll mince up later. I'll get into that. And then of course the chicken. And the chicken has been marinating for about a half an hour, and all I have in here is some rice wine vinegar and some garlic pepper. There's no such thing as garlic pepper. Garlic powder. And then I have my oil over here. We're going to get that going so that it can start heating up. And then we'll get into the sauce. Now, the sauce for this chicken is what makes the chicken. Okay, so let's put this stuff aside and let's just get started on this sauce. The chicken itself is going to be fried and then tossed in the sauce. Tossed in the sauce. Tossed in the sauce. I like to sing to myself when I'm cooking. All right, let's get that honey in there. The oyster sauce. Woo! Don't fall on me, oyster sauce. Okay, rice wine vinegar, water, and the soy. Okay, and then like I said, I just like to pump it up a little bit with the heat, not much, just to get a little bit of that in there. Now, General Tso he was an actual person. He didn't have anything to do with the chicken, but he was an actual person. The recipe was actually invented by a cook in the 50s named Ching Peng Kwai. Ching Peng Kwai. I don't know. Peng, no, Peng, that's what it is. Peng Chang Kwai. He invented this, and back in the 50s, then he immigrated to the States. And the general had nothing to do with the actual name of the chicken. They were from the same town. It was the first person he thought of when he made the chicken. General Tso's chicken was born. True story. Look it up. I wouldn't mislead you. Okay, so the sauce is done. Basically, we just set that aside and let it do its thing. Clear some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, now for the chicken, we are just going to take, like I said, we just got our flour and cornstarch in here and our chicken in here. Take the egg, crack it in the chicken. And then you just want to get this mixed up, because what we want is a batter. We want an actual batter. Okay, now the difference between a batter and a coating is usually a coating is more dry, batter is more wet. All right, so once we get this going, we just dump that all in there and let's get our chicken completely coated in here. Now, I used a little bit more cornstarch this time. I usually make it, I don't add a whole lot of cornstarch, but if you just use flour, it's going to come out more gummy. So this way, it's going to be really crispy. So I'm just going to finish getting this chicken coated, and then we'll get it frying. All right, so we've got our batter and all incorporated in the chicken, and then we're just gonna lay this in the fryer one piece at a time. When it gets the golden brown color, that's when we're good. How to know that your oil is ready to go? Take anything wooden, stick it in there. You see the bubbles? It's ready. Okay, that's letting you know that is ready. That'll work with any wooden thing you have well, don't use like a pencil or something. Use something that's not gonna make you sick. Okay, and then we'll just take our chicken and lay it in. And I'll probably have to do this in a couple of batches, but we'll just fry it up, and when it starts to float and everything is golden, then we know that we're ready. When you're laying something in to fry, start at closest to you, lay it away from you. You can do this with tongs if you want, if you're going to feel a little safer doing that. Been doing it for a while. It's pretty standard for me, okay? So I'm just going to get all this chicken in, and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like when it's all fried up. Okie dokie, we are back. And this is the color that you're looking for. Nice golden brown. We've got all our chicken fried up. And now what we're going to do, we take that out, and I just basically drained it on a paper towel. Now, some people that make this dish take this, put it back in, and do a double fry. If you do that, you're going to get a much crispier, crunchy chicken. And that's fine. For the sake of time, I'm not going to do that this time. I like it that way too, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, so let's just get that oil out of the way, and we'll bring in our wok. And if you don't have a wok, you can just take that oil, get rid of it, save it if you save oil. If not, dispose of it responsibly, okay? But then we're just going to take our chicken, toss it back in there, and take our sauce and put our sauce in, and we just want to get this reducing a little bit and get all our chicken stirred up in there, and we're going to have that sauce reduce a little bit while we're covering the chicken in it. So as soon as that happens, I'll come back, and then it's time to eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. It's talking. Y'all know how I get when my food starts talking to me. I have so much fun doing this. That is what we're looking for right there. Oh, Let's get this out of the way. I got a nice plate of jasmine rice, and we're just going to pour this right over the top. And oh Lord, oh Lord. That is what I'm talking about. General Tso's chicken. Right there, guys. Sweet, spicy, tangy, tart. I put the minced garlic and ginger in from the beginning when I told you about that. I threw that in there, got it all going. It started bubbling and reducing. You know, people, you do Chinese takeout, that's fine. If you want to do Chinese takeout, no problem. But if you would like to have a Chinese restaurant quality meal in your home, right here is how you do it. This is how you conquer your kitchen. And I got my chopsticks ready. You want to know how to use chopsticks? Lay that right there, that one right there, okay? Have it here, rest it on the middle finger. Put this one in, thumb and forefinger, pointer finger, yeah, pointer finger. And then let's give this a try. And I can't get it. There it is. Oh yeah. It's hot. But you guys know how it is with me and hot stuff. Guys, let's go ahead and get this done, all right? I appreciate you stopping by. I love it every week when I get to do this with you. I get to share a little bit of myself with you. Do me a favor, subscribe if you haven't. If you have, tell somebody else about it, because they deserve to have this in their home. Don't keep it all to yourself. Go out and tell somebody. They want some chicken too. All right? Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Just look for Conquer Your Kitchen. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. I love you. God bless you. Peace out. Bye-bye.